Have you ever wondered why these new cars are still using this old school style bulb for their indicators and you feel like you need to upgrade them to much more premium and modern like this new bulb that I have, which are actually LEDs? Well, look no further. I got you. So let's go ahead and have it installed. I bought this all from Shopee, 4 pieces, and they're quite cheap actually. They don't even reach like 30 ringgit for all four. And these are the size mentioned on the box for the Myvi Gen 3. And this is what it looks like, uh, me holding it. Alright, so it looks simple design with all the LEDs on it, and it also looks like it's a high quality brand. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get it installed. So first off, what you need to do is just jiggle and unlock the light out of the socket, and make sure you don't pull out any wires and all that. Make sure you don't break the thing. And once you have it out, this is the old bulb, which you just have to remove it. And I'm struggling here to remove it by one hand because I have the phone on the other hand. And I'm just gonna put this down, and okay, so now we have it removed. So we'll go ahead and install the new one, and here it goes. So just have to carefully install it and make sure you don't break anything. The plastics and all that could be very fragile. I'm kind of struggling here, as you can see, because I kind of forgot how to put it back. So it's just a pretty simple, just push it in an angle and just twist it until you have it locked. Make sure everything else is tightly secured in the connection, and you don't want to have any issues later on. And also find back the correct socket hole. Don't be like me inserting into the wrong one over here. And once you have already inserted in, just make sure everything else is secured. And here we go to the final look of it. As you can see, it looks so much better than the older ones. It's LEDs, obviously it's going to look much more premium, much more modern and all that. And also actually I have two more for the rear as well, but I don't really have the tools for it right now, and I'm too lazy to open this and that. So stay tuned for part 2.